Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this 8x10 reversible outdoor rug. So this is a 3-month review. I'm going to show you how it looks and how easy it is to put it back in the case. So you're first going to open up this thing. This folds very easily inside the case. So it's perfect when you're not using it. It comes with these stakes that you could just push inside when you're at the beach or the park or anywhere. This is perfect to put your furniture on top. The good thing about this rug is that it's waterproof and it resists the elements very well. Then you can even lay down on it, sit on it, and your feet and all your furniture and your food will stay nice and dry. So you can see the material is like a plastic woven material. So this is how it looks close up on the underside. So it's a reversible, so you could use it either this side or this side, and you can put the stakes and the water goes right through it if it gets wet. So this is like a plastic material. So when you finish using it, it folds very easily. So let me show you. So you just fold it with a crease. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description, and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great 8x10 reversible outdoor rug. I like how this material is a nice plastic woven material, so it can withstand the elements from outside. It's very easy to store. It's a nice design to it, and I like how easy it is to pack away.